Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and this is a tea break. Oh, and the first cup of tea of the day is always the best. It's like liquid gold, what I would imagine gold tasted like in the morning. One more. Oh, that's good. So today, I'm recording this for the 24th of Jan. No, I'm recording that. Okay, let's just be straight. It's Friday, the 23rd of February, but I'm recording this for tomorrow, the 24th of February, because I already put up a video today, and I've got a really busy weekend ahead of me. Arthur and Mel, as many of you know, disclaimer: this is not the deadly cigarettes that you may see. This is homegrown organic medication. It is not cigarettes. It is not deadly. It is not unsocially acceptable. So let's just leave it at that. Anyway, because I don't smoke and I don't drink, folks. I don't smoke cigarettes and I don't drink alcohol. So, and this is medication. So I don't recreation anything. Oh, I recreationally use Howie sometimes, but anyway. It's going to be a really busy weekend. That's why I'm recording this now. Nancy is on her way here to help me clean. I've been doing pretty good. Oh, my Bissell Crosswave. I need to order. There are several kinds of rollers on that. The one I have is a soft roller with a brush built in. I want to order just the soft roller because that's better for the floors. Okay. But I took it all. I did my floors. I was so proud. I took it all apart. I put the washable parts in the dishwasher after rinsing them, of course, because they get pretty grungy. And I put my HEPA filter and its holder up. Guess what guess what Frankie found and chewed to ribbons. And guess how much that part costs? $36. $36 for the roller. Or not the roller, for the filter. So it's a good thing Nancy's coming today because she comes armed with, mops and vacuums and stuff. So Arthur, every year, well, this is kind of a new tradition starting last year. My birthday's in January. Briar and Arthur's are 4 days apart in February. Howie's is March 1st and Melanie's is March 8th. So rather than, go crazy trying to figure out how to do everybody's birthday, we're going to do it all together. So they're on their way up, trying to beat the nasty weather that's coming. And Howie's picking up Briar after work, but Howie forgot the grocery list, so I've had to text that to him. I'm used to Mel and Arthur coming on Saturday. I'm used to them coming on Saturday where I have Friday to get organized so that I can relax Saturday. So I'm going to, tomorrow's going to be our birthday dinner. We're going to have lasagna and salad and mushroom. Oh, I forgot to put those on the list. Hang on a second. I have to text Papa back and say, fresh whole mushrooms and romaine lettuce, please. And I'll send that away. So, of course, we're making the traditional dinner of lasagna and Caesar salad, and I'm going to bake some garlic bread rather than just butter toast. I'm gonna bake a loaf of bread with garlic bread. Let me know if you want me to video that. Let me know. And deep fried breaded mushrooms, and I think I'm going to make, well, Briar is begging me to make him his pumpkin spice roll. I don't have any pecans, and I don't want to buy any. They're really expensive at this time of year. So I'm just going to make the pumpkin spice roll with the cream cheese frosting filling, just no pecans. And a blueberry cheesecake. Yeah, I know. Where's Bev's birthday and all of this? But it's okay. It's okay. I mean, my birthday gift really is having my family all in the same place. For those who are asking, the last I heard, Nan was going home to her apartment with Karen. It is doubtful that she will be able to come up here and stay any length of time because of the stairs. Had this happened when she was here, it would have been a logistical nightmare. So we've reached that part in our journey where Nan's not going to be able to live with us. So that's all I can say right now. So yeah, we're doing our birthday dinner tomorrow, and what else is going on? Oh, we're not picking up the motor coach. The motor coach. The motor coach. We're married to a motor coach for the next 12 years. We're not picking that up until next Friday. And Nancy's here. We're not picking that up until next Friday because that's when it's going to be ready for us to pick up. So Papa and I will be leaving here at about 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, Friday morning, and driving to Terrebonne, Quebec, picking up our motor coach, and I'm going to drive the other vehicle home, and he's going to drive the coach home. And following along behind him is going to give me the nerves. I wish there was somebody else that could go with him and drive behind him, because if anything actually did go wrong, I don't know what kind of help I would be. You know what I mean? But it's exciting. I actually wish I could ride with him. But I will get my turn. I will get my turn. So, as you know, I have a lot of stuff to do. It's going to be a wonderful weekend. It's going to be board games and movies and good food and laughter and company, the company of my family. It's awesome. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our Half Acre Homestead saying, I hope everybody has an amazing weekend. I will talk to you probably Monday or Tuesday. All right. Take care. God bless.